Take a ride in the 2016
Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features.
This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, heated seats, remote engine start, lane departure warning, floor mats, cruise control electronic with set and resume speed, rear defrost, power windows, bucket seats, fog lamps, rear view camera. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.